Hey guys, hey third graders. So today it's Miss Boyce, and I am going to do your lesson today for grammar. And today we're going to talk about conjunctions, but they are known as fanboys. So I have my notes page here. So if you can take out a piece of paper and just copy your notes with me as I go along. And on our next video, I'm going to give you some practice. But for now, we're just taking notes. And you'll see to the left here, I have an anchor chart. And this anchor chart has some visuals to help you understand what fanboys are. So there's a picture of a fan and a boy, because obviously fanboys. But fanboys is an acronym, and the acronym helps you understand helps you to remember, I should say, what the conjunctions are. So the conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So what is a conjunction? So if I've ever taught in your class before, you've heard me say words are related. And conjunctions has a very similar sound to conjoin, which means to put together, right? To join. So that's why you'll see underneath on our anchor chart, it says the glue that holds two sentences together. And that is exactly true. So a conjunction is basically a word that joins two simple sentences. Now, it's important that you write the word simple sentences, because what we're going to end up creating when we use our conjunction is we're going to end up creating what's called a compound sentence. So now let's talk about what that is. What is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is a sentence that is made up of just a subject and a predicate. So, for example, the boy ran home. So what is our subject in that sentence? The boy. And what is our predicate? Ran home. That's what the subject did. Make sense? So here is an example of a simple sentence. So this sentence does not have any of our conjunctions in it. There's no for, and, nor, but, yet, or so. But if we wanted to create a compound sentence, now remember what I said earlier, words are related, right? What's a compound word? Exactly. A compound word is when you take two smaller words and create a bigger word, like rainbow, right? That's a compound word. So just like a compound word is made up of two smaller words, a compound sentence is made up of two smaller sentences. So, for example, if we want to take that same, well, let's write the definition first. So a compound sentence is two, and I'm underlining the word two because is super important, two simple sentences joined. There goes that word joined again, which is kind of related to conjunction. Two simple sentences joined by a conjunction. So, for example, let's take our simple sentence that we used earlier in our first example. The boy ran home. Now, if you're writing and you're creating a story or an essay, that's a very simple sentence, right? That's more like a first grade sentence, not like a third grade sentence. So now we're going to take one of our conjunctions, one of our fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so, and we're going to create a compound sentence out of that simple sentence. So the boy ran home and he got his bike. So now we have a subject and a predicate, a conjunction, we have a subject and a predicate. There's one thing we're missing for this sentence to be correct, and that is a comma. It's always important to remember, comma conjunction. Say it with me, comma conjunction, comma conjunction. Exactly. So let's do another example. After this, you're going to do some practices on your own. Well, I'm going to give them to you. I'm going to use my kids as an example because I like to. Madison loves water, but Hannah loves juice. Okay, so what do we have? We have a subject. We have a predicate, comma, conjunction. We have a subject, and we have a predicate, even though my predicate is broken up over there. So these are examples of compound sentences, and that is how you use conjunctions. Okay, guys, go to the next video so you can practice.